We know nobody calls our appliance service desk just to say hello. We wish they would, but the reality is you call us because something is broken. Or maybe it's clearly showing signs that it's on track to being broken. That's frustrating. We get it, because we're also humans, and we've all been there. Nothing breaks at a convenient time, especially, it seems, your home appliances. So even though we sell new appliances at Village, our goal in the service department is to get your current investment back up and running. To do this, we gather as much information as possible ahead of your service appointment. Your first call or web chat conversation will include us gathering info ahead of your service call. Basic notes like brand, model number, and serial number can give our parts desk a chance to reference schematics and review possible diagnoses with our techs ahead of sending them out. So yes, that means sometimes when you call us, we won't send a tech out the same day, but hear us out. We'd rather have our service technician arrive empowered and motivated for what we call a first call complete appointment. We found over decades in this business that this process is the best way that we can show you that we value your time and your money. This may mean that if we don't have the possible needed part in stock, we will wait to send them out until we send them with that part in hand. Our award-winning service techs don't just put in a part and leave. Many times they're also showing you features or maintenance options for your investments. Every time a client invites us into their home, we know that invitation is built on trust. At Village Home Stores, we'll always aim to guide you with honesty and heart. Trusting our team to work in your home is not something we take lightly. Trust is earned, and we've found over the years customers who trust us with appliance repair are likely to trust us with larger projects like full remodels or even materials for the dream home that they are building years later. We're here now and we'll be here later. And right now, if you're seeing this video, it's because you need us to fix an appliance. We've got you. We service all the brands that we sell at Village, plus many others that we don't. You can call us at 309-944-1344. And since these things happen at all hours of the day, if we aren't open, you can also visit villagehomestores.com and find our appliance service call form, or use our web chat to get connected with our team.